how to connect Zscaler in 2024. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Zscaler is a cloud-based security platform that provides secure internet access for all your users, no matter where they are. It's a great solution for business looking to enhance their cyber security. Before we dive into the setup, here are a few things you need to know and you'll need. First, Zscaler account credentials, internet connection, and Zscaler app installed. Make sure you have your Zscaler account credentials and the Zscaler app is installed on your device. Let's start by launching the Zscaler app on your device. Find the Zscaler app icon on and click on it. Once the app is open, you'll see a login screen. Enter your Zscaler account credentials here. Make sure to enter your username and password correctly and then click on sign in. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Zscaler dashboard. Here you can configure various settings, but for now, let's focus on connecting to the service. To connect to Zscaler, simply click on the connect button. The app will take a few moments to establish a connection. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your device is now secured by Zscaler. To verify your connection, you can also check the status indicator on the app's main screen. If you encounter any issue during the setup, here are a few troubleshooting tips. First, check your internet connection. Ensure your credentials are correct. Restart the Zscaler app. If problems persist, contact Zscaler support for further assistance. And that's it, you've successfully connected to Zscaler. Your internet connection is now secure and protected. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.